Operational team management, maximizing efficiency. Performance management, from goals to results. A team can be perfectly assembled and communicate excellently, but without clear goals and effective management of their achievement, energy will be dissipated. Performance management is the process that ensures every team member understands their goals, has the necessary resources and support to achieve them, and contributes to the overall success of the startup. Setting clear and measurable goals, OKR, objectives and key results. What it is. A popular framework that helps companies, teams, and individual employees set ambitious goals, objectives, and measure progress toward them using specific, measurable results. Key results. Example, objective, make our product loved by early users. Key results, increase NPS to 50, achieve 70% monthly active user retention, get 50 positive reviews on key platforms. Advantages, OKRs stimulate ambition, ensure transparency, everyone sees what others are working on, help focus on what's most important, and connect individual efforts to the company's overall goals. SMART goals. What it is, another proven method for goal setting. A goal must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example. Goal. Increase product registrations by 20% by the end of the next quarter. Advantages. SMART goals clearly define what needs to be done, by whom, and by when, minimizing ambiguity. Task delegation methods. Understand readiness. Delegate tasks based on the employee's level of competence and experience. Some need full instructions, others only a general goal. Delegate results, not process. Clearly define the outcome you expect, but give the employee freedom in choosing the methods to achieve it. This develops independence and responsibility. Ensure understanding. Always check that the employee has correctly understood the task, its purpose, and the expected results. Provide resources and authority. When delegating a task, ensure the employee has everything needed to complete it: information, tools, access to necessary people. Performance monitoring and reporting, regular check-ins, short, regular meetings to review progress and remove obstacles. KPI, key performance indicators, track key metrics that directly show progress towards goals. If the goal is to increase active users, the KPI will be number of active users. Progress transparency. Use the same project management tools, Jira, Asana, so everyone can see the status of tasks and progress towards goals. Course correction. If something goes wrong, quickly analyze the reasons and make adjustments. Don't wait until the end of the quarter to realize you're falling behind. Effective performance management not only helps achieve goals, but also develops leaders within the team, gives employees a sense of belonging and significance, and increases the overall efficiency of the startup. Human capital analytics. In the modern world, you measure everything, from marketing campaign conversion rates to your product's performance speed. Why not measure the team's effectiveness itself? People analytics is an approach that uses data to understand and improve processes related to people in your organization. This allows for data-driven decisions rather than relying on intuition or guesswork. How to measure team effectiveness. Performance metrics, individual performance, depends on the role. For a developer, it might be the number of tasks completed or lack of bugs. For a salesperson, it's the number of deals closed and average transaction value. Team performance, speed of project completion, e.g. average sprint duration in Scrum, quality of work, number of errors, reworks, adherence to deadlines. Contribution to key business metrics, how teamwork directly impacts your LTV, CAC, MRR, and other important indicators. Engagement and satisfaction. Metrics, engagement, surveys, regular anonymous surveys that measure satisfaction with work, team atmosphere, attitude towards management, and work-life balance. Employee Net Promoter Score, ENPS, similar to customer NPS, but the question is, how likely are you to recommend working at our company to friends, colleagues? Turnover rate, the percentage of employees who leave within a specific period. High turnover is a signal of systemic problems. Absenteeism rate, the number of missed workdays. Development and learning metrics, training completion rate, how many employees complete offered courses. Progress on individual development plans. Tracking the achievement of personal and professional goals. Internal promotions, the percentage of employees who have grown into new roles within the company. Data-driven decision-making, identify problems. If metrics show a decrease in engagement or an increase in turnover, it's a reason for deep analysis. Test hypotheses. If you implement a new motivation program, measure its impact on productivity or satisfaction. Forecast and plan. Human capital data helps more accurately plan hiring, allocate budget for training and development. Use specialized HR platforms, modern HRIS, Human Resources Information Systems, and HCM, Human Capital Management platforms, e.g. Workday, Bamboo HR, Gusto for small companies, can automate the collection and analysis of this data. Human capital analytics transforms team management from an art into a science. It allows you to not only react to problems but also anticipate them, invest in growth where it will yield the greatest return, and ultimately create the most effective and inspired team capable of bringing your startup's boldest ambitions to life.